Hey guys, so California is about to vote. So let me explain why I'm disabled and how this happened. All right. Ada Briceno is one of the three co-presidents of Unite Here Local 11. I met her through the Democratic Party of Orange County. And she hired me during the pandemic to walk blocks in Laguna Beach, Glendale, LA, some very dangerous neighborhoods, right? I'm going to pause it here. Um, she was organizing women's circles where people could express themselves and talk about their experiences. She's hypersensitive to helping transgender women, I mean, she's in the right place pretty much on all the topics except for actual working conditions, right? So I am permanently disabled at this point, and I don't know when the Democratic Party of Orange County decided to endorse her for this, because I would have liked to have stood up at that meeting and speak to the subject about how I was treated in her organization. It started out quite well, and then it became overly demanding. I was commuting over an hour there, over an hour back, right? I also had 10-hour days because I had to get there early to check all of the canvassers in and give them instructions. And I was constantly being yelled at while I was giving my canvassers instructions by your girl, Carly, who said I was being too loud, right? I was trying to explain to them where they were going to walk and what we were promoting that day based on the pre meeting I had to attend in order to get the instructions to give to my team. Yes? Right? So I am now relaying the information to my canvassers. Okay. But Carly didn't want us to keep them informed. We were being sent into very dangerous neighborhoods in Los Angeles, okay? Most of my team, most of the time, we were sent into very steep, strenuous terrain that was the richer parts of Los Angeles because we had the good looking team, I guess, the more sociable, more communicable team. So a lot of us were sent up there, but it's not like they're not racist either, okay? So I had a lot of canvassers that I need to help through that experience. One of my canvassers, I think, knocked on a celebrity's house. At least he pulled up the data and showed it to us, and it was somebody who owned a home in an exclusive neighborhood, and he knocked on that door, and that canvasser was reforming from like a 20-year sentence of fraud. I mean, we were put in very compromising positions while I worked for this organization. We were sent to central LA and told to vote to advertise the incumbent city council member for that neighborhood, and everywhere we walked there were piles of trash because he wasn't doing the basic minimum of making sure that they had um, trash collectors come and clean up the neighborhood. It was bad, you guys. It was scary. It was bad. And that is how I got disabled, was based on their poor instructions. Your gal Carly, who tried to scare me out of the organization, thinking that I was too stupid to know that I had a workers' comp claim, right? So she and Danielle, who thought that I was a lesbian and tried to unveil her boob in front of me while I was down in the basement. And she also is the one who told us to rattle the gate to find out if there was a dog behind the yard, right? And on her first day in Laguna, she got bit, right? You remember that? I do. I mean, and then you have Jonah, who's afraid of reporting anything to the police. So we had no police record of what happened to me when I was bit. Folks, if there is a better choice, which I don't know, I haven't looked into it. I have not looked into this specific race, but if there is another Democrat running, I would suggest you vote elsewhere. Ada is an absolute clown. That is my opinion. Jesus Christ.